Back again in Concord, Massachusetts, and this time I come in and I find Jim's tools right here. This is wonderful to see him working again. I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens. You can find me helping clients take their dated old kitchens and transform them into beautiful new kitchens that they love because they fit their homes and lifestyle much better. If you're ready to start your kitchen remodeling journey or just enjoy watching home transformations, you are at the right place. Come join me.
You park behind Dad?
Mm-hmm.
Can I borrow your car?
Sure.
Thank you.
Can't take the installs out of Jim, huh?
What's that?
I said, can't take the installs out of you. They follow you.
And Jenny's like, we didn't get any.
So what's this? Jim having snack. Your brother Kevin will be really proud of you. You're having more than... Oh, and there's Bandolero's lunch. And Sean. Hello, I'm Mary Regan, kitchen designer at Wayside Kitchens, and together with my husband Jim.
Hello.
He's right over here hiding. He's going to come over and say hello.
Hi.
Hi. We are on location at the Concord, Massachusetts project, and this week we've been busy with the cabinet installation done by none other than Jim Regan. So this afternoon, it is the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and we are wrapping up for the week, so I'm going around bringing lunch and checking out the job sites and seeing what's happening. And I'm gonna take the camera and show you what is happening right here in Concord. This time I brought lunch from Acton. I went to Sorrento's, which for years has been our favorite pizza joint in Acton, Mass. And Jim is all excited about Sorrento's for lunch. I know they have a Concord location, but we always go to Acton or Harvard. So thank you, Sorrento's.
I like Harvard.
I know, but I learn about Sorrento's at the Acton location, so that's the one I always go to. And today when I went, it's the day before Thanksgiving, and Kelly's Corner was a nightmare. So this is extra special today.
Oh,
All right?
yeah.
I'm taking a break. Gonna get some pizza. Really hungry. Hello again, back in Concord, and I find Jim. I brought him lunch. And I had lunch, and now it's time to go back to the regularly scheduled program, which is Jim doing the installation of the island cabinet. As usual, Jim is just thinking.
The thinker.
We tease him about all that thinking he does. And nothing happened. If you don't Oh, Jim is funny sometimes. That was one of them. I know. Been around the block a few times, so I know his jokes.
Yep, you do.
That's why I didn't jump. Okay. You're making me nervous. No?
No, you tell when How you can tell you go too far is you put your finger here. Mm-hmm. And if the screw goes into it, you go too far.
Yeah. And that would not be good, right? Beautiful. Look at that island. Beautiful back paneling. Cabinets back here, so for extra storage. Beautiful. And then
Yep.
it creates an overhang for the countertop. Not bad, not bad. So this is great. And then matching on the other side as well. So someone can just sit on this end and then on the back of the island so you fit more people. Clever, clever. And this is all he's doing today, is just working on the island. It's almost the day before Christmas. It's not before Christmas, it's before Thanksgiving. And it's after 12, but we're going to call the day. Beautiful. So you attach the cabinets to each other, and then you attach them to the floor. After we triple check that that's where it's going.
Well, I did. I triple checked. Mm-hmm. Yep.
It's a commitment, right? And so let me give you another view of this really neat project. Those clamps are great for holding those panels, huh?
Oh, yeah.
And here we are. Nice look. There's some wall cabinets that Jim already put up, which is great. And can use regular height wall cabinets because the beams, they make this room shorter than 7 feet, unfortunately. And I think it's 78.5 inches, and so we couldn't make the cabinets much taller, or that's all we can go. Although, if you look through the beams, the ceiling height is really nice, but as far as anything in the kitchen, it all has to remain at the lowest point for those wall cabinets. So that's what we had to do. Jim and his shims.
Oh, yeah. Especially this old house.
Jim and Jim. That's funny. This is beautiful though. Like I'm looking at the camera, like what it's recording, and the beautiful light through the windows. It's a nice sunny day, crisp. A little chilly. But what do you expect? It's the day before Thanksgiving in Massachusetts, so it should be right on target. And you can see some of the cabinets that we're putting into the kitchen, double trash bin, or a trash and recycling cabinet. And all made and brought to you by our favorite cabinet company, Shiloh. And all the way from Dudley, Missouri. And which we are yet to visit.
I know. How many times have we talked about
Oh
that?
my God, all these years.
It's like this year we're going.
Shiloh cabinets. And so what happens is,
We go somewhere else.
I know. And they are so nice down there. I would love to go and visit the plant. And but between Christmas and New Year's, they close, and then that's when we could have time. And generally, there's family stuff. And in the spring, we can't do it because that's when kitchens are going full throttle, right? Lots of projects going on. And then the summer is too hot. No. we always have an excuse not to go, but I would love to go and get a tour of the plant. That would be awesome. I've been to other cabinet makers and those facilities.
Yeah, the
are
first one
incredible.
we went to was in Pennsylvania.
And then we went to Elmwood
Elmwood.
Kitchens and St. Catharines, Canada.
Twice.
Canada, and that was awesome. You know, going around and looking at cabinets, how they're made, and the care people take to make those cabinets is just
Oh, yeah.
like unbelievable.
Yeah.
So, and I hear Shiloh's facility is humongous, huge, and
Don't they employ like
half
Like
the town, or
half-
the
or-
town,
or-
or the whole town? Yes.
or more? Yeah.
Yeah. No, that's, it's and they keep adding to it, so they keep adding different buildings, and it's just a huge facility. Very they run. It's a very well run company, and they do a very good job with their cabinets, and we're very fortunate to have found them. And it's been, I forget now, but I'm gonna guess a good 12 years, 13 years of selling these cabinets. And
Yep.
always a good thing. Yes, so awesome. All right, thank you for coming along with us to Concord to look at the cabinet install. Jim is going to sign off for us. So Jim, why don't you sign off for now?
Bye for now. Have a great Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah.
I know I will.
I know. I'm reserving my appetite for tomorrow, as we will be with family in Littleton, Massachusetts, and I don't have to cook, which is kind of nice. So I'll be sitting around, just feed me. It's going to be great.
I don't think we're playing street hockey tomorrow.
No,
No.
not enough Regans.
No, I think we're getting older and people get hurt too much.
I know. Over the years, we've seen a lot of people get hurt with the street hockey. But that is a Regan tradition, though. Not one that I partake, because hockey is not my strong suit, or skating, or anything to do with ice or snow is not my thing.
Nope.
Jim, on the other hand, is a great hockey player
Was.
that I've never been able to watch him play hockey, which
No,
is,
No, you're watching me coach.
yeah, but like that's not the same.
No, but
You know, I would say it's different than watching someone going full speed ahead, you know, and going for the puck and beating people up and all that
oh
stuff.
jeez. Beating people up.
Well, you know, I watch a few hockey games. But, all right, enough about us. We'll see you guys. Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Bye for
And,
now.
I hope
See you when? Next week?
see you next time. next week. We'll
See
be
you
back.
next week.
And if anyone wants to follow along with this project, it is on a playlist. And we have a couple of other projects that we're working on around at the same time. One is in Acton, and then the other one is in Groton, Massachusetts. And so we have a couple of things going on, and we would love for people to follow along. And if you have any comments, any questions, by all means, this is all live and none rehearsed. Only when Jim knocks on doors, that's the only part that's rehearsed,
Oh,
right?
yeah, we did it here.
I,
You said, act like I'm just showing up. And I went, all right.
yeah,
I think it worked.
yeah, we're learning, right?
Oh, wow, you're here.
Trying to make the videos entertaining, right? So people watch them. But this is us, all right? Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
This is as good a day as any.